So students, today we are going to learn how to write an application to the principal. What is the format? I will be telling you the format. Listen to it very carefully and you have to follow the exact format. If there are any changes made in the format, you will end up losing your marks. So kindly pay attention to the format when you are writing a formal letter and especially an application to the principal. So let us see the format. So the first thing that we do is that when you are given a question where you have to write an application to the principal, first of all you will write the date. You begin the letter, you begin the application first writing the date. After writing date in one line, you leave a line. Then from the next line you will write the receiver's address. The person, you are the sender, you are writing the application, so you are the sender. The person who will be receiving this application is the receiver. So when you are writing application to the principal, what will be the receiver's address? The principal's address. So in these three lines, you can write the address of the principal. You will write the receiver's address in these three lines, like the principal. Then in the next line, you will write which school, St. Francis School. Then in the next line, you will write Gomti Nagar Extension. So this is how you will write the receiver's address. After writing the address, you will again leave one line. After leaving the line, you will write this subject. You will have to put this heading. You will write subject and then you will put this colon. After this, you are going to write the subject, whatever is the subject of the application. Say you are asking, subject is asking for leave, you want 2 days leave or 3 days, whatever you want leave. So you will write the subject there. What will be the subject there? Permission for leave, request for leave, whatever be the subject. Make sure the subject should be only of very few words. In one line, you will write the subject, what the application is about. Very short. In one line only, you will write the subject. Then again, after writing the subject, you will leave a line. This dotted line means you will leave a line. You're not going to write this dotted line, not you're going to write leave a line. You will simply leave a line blank. Then you will write salutation. What is salutation? That is, you will be writing respected principal, or in your case you have father, you will write reverend father. I will show you how you will write. So salutation is when you are respectfully writing to someone, so you will write respected principal. Now one important thing, please pay attention. When you are writing an application to the principal, you will write respected respected principal or reverend father. But suppose you are writing a formal letter to some other officer, in that case you will write sir, or you can write ma'am, or you can write dear sir or dear ma'am. You will not write respected there. Respected is used only for the principal, remember that. So here salutation, in salutations place you will be writing like respected principal, or in your case you can write reverend father. Then after writing that salutation, next line, without leaving a line, now you will not leave a line, you will begin with your first paragraph, which is your introductory lines, introductory application, where you will write this is to bring into your notice, or with due respect, this is the case. So whatever you are beginning with, that is what you will write here, the first paragraph. Now wherever the first paragraph will end, you will go on to put a full stop end, and from the next line, without leaving a line, from the left hand side close to the margin, you will begin with your second paragraph. Again, you will not leave lines between the paragraphs. Wherever it ends, then from the next fresh line available without leaving line, you will begin with your second paragraph, in which you will be writing the main body. That suppose whatever is the reason you are writing this application, that if you want a leave, why do you want a leave? If there is any special request you are making to the principal or someone, why are you making that request? So that reason will be stated in the second paragraph. Then wherever the second paragraph ends, from the next line, without leaving a line, from the next line, right from close to the margin, you will begin your third paragraph, which is the concluding paragraph. The conclusion you will write that I will be highly obliged if you do this, if you grant me leave, or if you listen to my plea. Whatever you are writing, that will be the concluding paragraph, the conclusion. So remember, the main application has 3 paragraphs. It has to have 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is the introductory part, where you are introducing what the subject is about, what you are writing the application about. Second paragraph, you are stating the reason why, what is the reason why you want this thing to happen. Third paragraph, you'll be concluding with the hope, okay, the person will listen to your request. So third paragraph you conclude. Now whenever it ends, the third paragraph, then you will leave one line. After writing all the 3 paragraphs, then you will leave a line. Then you will write thanking you. Here, pay attention. Thanking you. In you, Y is small letter. It is not a capital letter, and there is no comma, no full stop. You will write thanking you. Next line, without leaving a line, you will write the subscription, that is yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Okay. Here, pay attention. No apostrophe is to be used. Yours. Here, no apostrophe is to be used. Faithfully, F will be small. If you are writing sincerely, S will be small. No comma, no full stop. Then in the next line, you will write your name. You will write your full name. Suppose your name is Shreya Singh. So you will write Shreya Singh. Again, no comma, no full stop. In the next line, you will write your class and section. You are in 6A, so you will write 6A. You are in 6B, you will write 6B, 6C, and so on. Make sure here in this, as you can see, there is no comma, no full stop in this ending part, the subscription part, name, class. So you will not write any comma or any full stop. Similarly, at the beginning, date also, I will tell you how you are supposed to write date. Receiver's address. Okay, so this is the main format that you have to write when you're writing application. First line, date on the left side of the margin. You leave a line, then you write receiver's address. Then you leave a line, then you write subject, colon, and then you will write whatever the subject is. Then you will leave a line, then you will write salutation, respected principal, or sir, or reverend father, whomsoever you are writing. Then again, no full stop, no comma in that. Then from the next line, without leaving a line, you will write the first paragraph introduction. Then without leaving a line, then you will write the second paragraph from the next line. Then from the next line, you will write the third concluding paragraph. After having written the entire body of the letter, you will leave one line. Then you will write thanking you. After that, without leaving line, you will write yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Then without leaving line, you will write name. And then in the next line, you will write your class and section. This is how you have to write the application or your letter. Now, let us again see, I have explained slightly in detail how exactly you will write the content. So as we studied, the first thing you are going to write date. You will not put the heading date, you will directly write the date. There are only 2 ways to write the date. You have to write in these 2 forms only. Either you will write, like suppose today is 8th August. So you will write 8th, which will touch the lines of the copy. 8th August, comma 2020. You have to write full year 2020. Only 20 will not be accepted. So again, this is the only place where you will be using this comma. Remember, in the date you will use this comma. Either you will write the date like this, or you can write the date like this. First you will write the month August, then you will write the 8th, 10, 16, 20, whatever is the date. Then you will write the date, then again comma, and then 2020. So when you are writing this th or st, suppose it is 23rd, so you will write 2, 3, and then rd. In that case, when you are writing date like that, then you will write the date first, then the month, and then 2020. Otherwise, simply you first write the month, the date without th or rd or st anything, comma 2020. These are the only 2 ways to write the date. If you write in any other format, 0 marks. Your marks will be deducted. So these are the only 2 ways to write the date. So first you will write the date, then leave a line. The principal, you're writing an application to the principal, so you will write the principal. This is the receiver's address we talked about. The principal, St. Francis School, Gomti Nagar Extension. This is whole the address of the receiver. Then you will leave a line. Then you will write subject. You will write subject, then you will write this colon. You will write subject, colon, then whatever the subject is. Suppose you are asking for leave. So you will say request for leave. The subject should be as small as possible. Directly you will tell what it is about. It should not be more than 1 line. I am telling you, not more than 1 line. So after you have written the subject, again you will leave a line. Then you will write salutation. I told you salutation, respected principal, or in your case, you will write Reverend Father. You will write REV dot Reverend Father. Simply, you can write here the Reverend Father. If you are writing to some other officer, say informal letter, you can write sir, you can write dear sir, you can write ma'am, dear ma'am. Okay. Again, no comma, no full stop. So directly after leaving a line after the subject, you will write respected principal or Reverend Father. Then you will begin with your the next line. You will begin with your first paragraph. There is no line to be left between salutation and the body of the letter. You will write your first paragraph. What do you usually write in first paragraph? You write like this. I have given in red pen. With due respect, I want to bring into your notice, or you can write this is to bring into your notice, this is to inform you so and so thing is happening, or so and so such is the situation. You will inform that. Then you will write wherever this ends, then from the next line, left side of the margin, you will begin your second paragraph. Second paragraph, you will write the reason why you are writing the application. The reason behind this application, suppose you want to leave, so you can say the classes are going on in full swing, and in the second paragraph you can go on to write, I am not feeling well, or I have to go out station for so and so reason, so I will not be able to attend the classes. Then after finishing the second paragraph, you will come to the next line and you'll write the third paragraph. You're not leaving a line. No matter where your second paragraph ends, from the next line you immediately begin with the third paragraph, which is the concluding, where you will be saying like, I will be greatly obliged if you grant me leave, or if you grant me the permission for so and so thing. So last paragraph is the concluding one. And then wherever it ends, after that, wherever the third paragraph ends, after that you will leave one line. You have to leave one line. See this, after writing this body of the paragraph, you have to leave this line. Then after that come to this, just a minute, then you come to this thanking you. Then you will write yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Then you will write your name, whatever your name is. I've written example Sania Singh. Then in the next line you will write your class 6A or 6B or 6C, whatever your class is. So this is the format you have to remember. First is the date, leave a line, receiver's address. In 3 lines you will write that. Then leave a line. Then you will write the subject. Then you will leave a line, write the salutation, respected principal, Reverend Father, sir, ma'am, whatever it is. Then the next paragraph, first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph. And it is compulsory to write 3 paragraphs. If you write less than 3, your marks will be deducted. You have to write 3 paragraphs. It is mandatory, I'm telling you, to write 3 paragraphs. Then thanking you, yours faithfully or sincerely, your name and class and section. So this is how you will write the formal letter and when you're writing application to the principal.